welcome to the elevator at the Timberline Barton Hills office building in Austin, Texas. There's Jim Lee.
JimLiElevators, we got Captain Elevator 42189 today.
And
a vintage Montgomery square button. Andrew and Jason both filmed this before. We got the Montgomery nameplate. The bumper. Alright, let's be quiet and listen to the motor going up, shall we?
okay, 3.
Oh, 3's open.
That's right.
Here we go. Oh, classic leveling.
Let's go to G.
There's your phone.
And 3 opens up to an office, so on our next trip we'll do 2.
Okay, yeah.
It's a nice elevator.
And can we do a full silent trip going up?
Sure.
Because I want to listen to that motor starting up.
Alrighty.
These are your fixtures. They're Montgomery square buttons. According to Andrew, they don't call this G&P or something like that.
That's just for the nameplate emblem.
Alright, let's wait for it to shut.
You ready?
Here we go. All that classic leveling.
That's right.
I love these buttons. I haven't seen Montgomery square buttons in a while.
Yes.
It's actually in pretty good condition as well.
Yes.
Take a picture of that indicator. And watch this. Watch this. Oh, we missed that classic leveling. The classic leveling was pretty decent up there.
Yes.
Oh, listen to the relay. Oh, you can't hear the relay. I'll demonstrate it when the door closes. You hear the relay?
I did.
When that door closes, demonstrate it one more time.
Alrighty.
Wait until it shuts. Go. Wait for it. And that's it.